Great day everyone, I am Aldi Guzman, 23 years old, residing at the Wellington Place, Barangay Pasong Kamachili 2, in the city of General Trias, province of Cavite. I completed my primary education at the Mary Chris Elementary School in the year of 2014, followed by junior high school at the Luis Y. Ferrer North National High School on 2018. I completed my senior high school at the PNTC Colleges on the year of 2020 with the academic strand of Technical Vocational Maritime Specialization. And finally, I pursued Bachelor of Science in Criminology at the National College of Science and Technology, Dasmariñas City Campus. I completed my on-the-job training on the two of the tribe bureaus, which is the Philippine National Police and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. During of my on-the-job training at the PNP and BJMP, I learned and personally experienced the work of the PNP regarding criminal procedures and criminal investigation. At the BJMP, I learned the works of the different units at the BJMP, the paralegal unit, the custodial unit, the administrative unit, and lastly, the record section unit. During my college days, I have attended some seminars that are related to my course, which are revised rules on criminal procedure, tactical mastery in marksmanship and combat shooting, and lastly, enhancing criminal investigation. When it comes in work experience, I work at the Miyazaki for almost 2 years. I was assigned at the receiving area or the receiving section of the component warehouse and department of the Miyazaki. I was tasked to check and to record all the parts that are coming out from the container vans. During that time, I was a working student, juggling both my works and studies, and during my lunch break, I always check my portal if there is a posted link for classes or posted assignment and activities. Given those seminars and work experience, I can assure that will be my edge among the other applicants, and I am confident that I can contribute to the success of the company.